Okay, today's video is about being an introvert, voluntarily positioning myself in social situations that don't allow for recovery, for having done that social situation. Introverts need time to recover to get back to normal. Socializing drains us, pulls all of our energy out and dumps it. And to recover a good energy level means we have to spend, or should, not have to, but for me it's pretty much have to. I've got to get outside in nature, away from crowds and people and small talk and all that kind of stuff that leaves me hollow and empty. So this is my place I go to. It's half a block from where I live, that has some trees in the background. And I'm looking at a parking lot full of cars and trucks and people and buildings in Main Street, but I don't have to be in it for a short period of time. I get to be away from what causes my mind to go to chaos. And extroverts, the boisterous front row stage leaders, can be in social situations and they get extremely invigorated by that activity. It's just the exact opposite of what happens to introverts. So I spent 2 days basically good friends, and good friend is an extrovert, and I listened to a lot of stuff and felt socially required to respond and be in conversations and blah, 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 back and forth, until I was pretty much drained to zero. Didn't sleep very well last night, had some more of that today, and all I know is that I needed to get away from the social world and come out here and say hi to the trees.